Hey, what's up, guys? This is your notes from our telescoping series conversation from 5.2. We're looking specifically at an example that was in the text, notes style. What if we're looking at the summation of the series from 1 to infinity for what you see there in the bottom of the screen, cosine of 1 over n minus cosine of 1 over n plus 1. So in order to get an idea for how this works, what we spent time doing was actually trying to draw out the partial sums, like s sub 1, literally plug in a 1, s sub 2, s sub 3. S sub 2 is the first s sub 1 term plus this description, how we are actually plugging in the 2 term and writing it all the way out. So it's a series because of the summation notation, but we have to actually consider, like, okay, if I do write this out for infinity, what does it look like? So here you can see that we've written out the first 3 partial sums, and we start to get an idea that it's cosine of 1 consistently, but every other term from that point on starts to be taken or like canceled out, like it's added and then subtracted, or maybe vice versa, it's subtracted and then added. I pause in the video to say that I acknowledge that cosine of 1 is consistently there, but looking at the notes, it seems like we're always consistently also adding to it some term at the end, some subtract by cosine of 1 over k plus 1. So the notes or conversation point here is that there is this indexing k value between 1 and infinity, between 1 and n, as n goes to infinity. And this indexing k value tells us that we are looking for kind of like that middle ground, like, okay, well, what if k approaches n as n approaches infinity? And so therefore we have to also consider that it's still there in the problem, leaving us with cosine of 0, 1 over 1 plus n plus 1 is going to 0. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. I think we're getting a chance to review the notes. Leave me a comment if you would like to go over something that is also related. Thanks.